Go carpet cleaning in Fair Oaks, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning carpets in homes throughout Fair Oaks, bringing years of experience to every job and a persistent dedication to customer support. Whether you require office or residential services, our group has definitely got your back. Our carpet cleaning services in Fair Oaks are thorough and safe, and we work to guarantee our customers are pleased before we leave any job.
Gal was very easy to work with. He made an appointment convenient for me, he practiced COVID protocols, and he did an amazing job cleaning my carpets and upholstery. He was able to remove paint stains and red mud stains from my beige carpet. He told me if there were any issues to call him. I am extremely pleased with the quality of his service.
Very recommended.
Our professional group of carpet cleaners will give your carpets the deep cleaning they ought to have. We utilize environment-friendly items that are safe for family, pets, and kids, so you don't need to worry about anything poisonous getting left behind in your home. We also provide a large range of upholstery cleaning services for your home or office. Whether you need something quick and simple, or a more extensive expert service, we have the best option to suit your individual requirements. Our technicians will work vigilantly to fulfill all of your upholstery cleaning needs, so reach out to us today. Contact us for carpet cleaning and more in Fair Oaks or the surrounding locations. Visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.